Basic carpentry and structural integrity. Measuring, cutting, and joining materials. Carpentry is a fundamental skill in sustainable living and construction. Whether you're building a shelter, furniture, or structural framework, mastering precise measuring, cutting, and joining techniques ensures durability and safety. Measuring for accuracy. Accurate measurements are crucial in carpentry. Small errors can lead to weak structures, wasted materials, and poor fits. How to read a measuring tape. A measuring tape is one of the most essential tools in carpentry. The longest lines represent whole inches, 1, 2, 3, etc. Medium lines represent half-inch and quarter-inch marks. Smaller lines indicate 1/8 inch and 1/16 inch measurements for fine accuracy. Some tapes include metric measurements, centimeters and millimeters. Pro tip: when measuring for cuts, always double-check your measurement before marking and cutting. This prevents costly mistakes. Marking materials for cutting. Use a pencil or chalk to mark measurements clearly. A carpenter's square helps ensure your marks are straight and at right angles. Always extend the line across the material for better alignment. Common measuring mistakes to avoid. Misreading small increments. Not accounting for the kerf, the width of the saw blade. Measuring only once. Always measure twice. Cut once. Cutting techniques. Once materials are measured and marked, cutting accurately is the next step in construction. The type of saw used depends on the material and the type of cut required. Types of cutting tools. Handsaw. Good for small cuts in wood when precision is key. Circular saw. Best for quick, straight cuts in lumber and plywood. Jigsaw. Used for curved or intricate cuts. Table saw. Ideal for long, straight cuts and repeated cuts. Miter saw. Used for precise angled cuts, for framing and corners. Cutting best practices. Secure the material. Use clamps or sawhorse to keep it stable. Choose the right blade. Finer teeth create smoother cuts, while coarse teeth cut faster. Use a guide. A straight edge or a fence keeps cuts straight and even. Follow the marked line. Cut on the outside of the line to maintain accurate measurements. Safety tip: wear safety glasses and ear protection when using power saws, and keep hands away from the blade path. Joining techniques. Nails, screws, and fasteners. Joining materials correctly ensures strength, stability, and durability. The type of fastener used depends on the materials, load-bearing requirements, and intended use. Common fasteners and their uses. Nails. Quick to install, best for framing, general construction, and temporary joints. Screws. Provide stronger hold than nails, best for furniture, cabinetry, and structural reinforcements. Wood glue. Reinforces joints when combined with nails or screws, creating a strong bond. Dowels and biscuits. Used for fine woodworking and furniture assembly. Bolts and nuts. Used for heavy-duty structural connections. Pro tip: if using nails, always drive them at an angle for better grip. If using screws, drill pilot holes first to prevent wood from splitting. Best practices for strong, durable connections. Pre-drill pilot holes for screws to prevent wood splitting. Use clamps when gluing pieces together for a tight bond. Select the right fastener size. Too small and it won't hold. Too large and it may weaken the material. Apply wood glue before nailing or screwing for maximum strength. Ensuring structural integrity. A structure's strength depends on how well materials are measured, cut, and joined. Here are key techniques to ensure durability. Reinforcing joints and connections. Bracing. Diagonal supports prevent wobbling and reinforce stability. Corner blocking. Placing small wooden blocks at corners adds strength to furniture and frames. Cross supports. Crisscrossing beams distributes weight evenly. Sanding and sealing. Helps materials resist moisture and wear over time. Pro tip. When framing walls or building furniture, use butt joints with screws and glue, or lap joints for extra strength. Checking for stability. Test the structure for wobbling before finalizing assembly. Inspect all fasteners to ensure they are secure and flush. Distribute weight evenly. Uneven weight can lead to stress points and material failure. Conclusion. Basic carpentry skills, including measuring, cutting, and joining materials, are essential for creating safe, functional, and long-lasting structures. By following precise measuring techniques, using the right cutting tools, and applying strong joining methods, you can build anything from simple furniture to complex structures with confidence.